Hey everyone, welcome. I have a bold request for you. Before we dive into today's video, I want you to go into the comments right now and type "I deserve financial peace." It's more than just a phrase, it's a declaration, it's a rallying cry. It's the first step in a movement to reclaim your financial power. So if you're ready to change your story, type it in the comments and hit that like button to join this movement. Let's get started. For the last 20 years, I've had the privilege of helping people from all walks of life get a handle on their money. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that most people are playing a losing game. The number one reason isn't because they don't make enough money. It's because they're trained to see a world of scarcity, not a world of abundance. I've seen it play out time and time again. The moment a bill arrives, we feel a knot in our stomach. We see a shiny new car and think, I could never afford that. We hear about a new investment and immediately think of all the ways it could fail. It's a story of fear, of lack, of limitation. But what if I told you there's another story? A story where you see opportunities instead of obstacles. A story where money isn't something to be feared, but a tool to be used. A story where you're not just surviving, but thriving. This isn't some fantasy. It's a skill you can learn. Today we're going to train your mind to see money everywhere. Step 1. Rewrite your financial narrative. Most of us have a script running in our heads about money, a story we've been telling ourselves our whole lives. Maybe it's money is the root of all evil, or rich people are greedy. Or maybe it's something more personal, like I'm bad with money, or I'll never be able to get out of debt. This script, this narrative, is holding you back. It's a mental prison. You have to tear up that old script and write a new one. What if your new story was money is a tool for good? What if it was I am resourceful and capable? Or even better, I attract wealth into my life? Don't just say these things, feel them, believe them. A great way to do this is to get a notebook and write down every single negative thought you have about money. Don't judge yourself, just get it all out. Then for each negative thought, write down a positive, empowering counter-thought. For example, if you write, I'll never be able to afford a home, your new script could be, I am taking consistent steps to save for my dream home, and I will achieve it. It's a subtle shift, but it changes everything. How would your life be different if you truly believed that you were deserving of wealth and financial peace? Step 2. Practice mindful spending. Most of us spend money mindlessly. We see a sale, we get a notification, we feel a craving, and before we know it, we've bought something we don't need. This is a passive relationship with money. It's money controlling you, not the other way around. I want you to start practicing mindful spending. Before you buy anything at all, take a deep breath and ask yourself these 3 questions. Do I need this, or do I want this? Be honest with yourself. There's no shame in wanting things, but be aware of the difference. Does this purchase align with my long-term goals? If you're trying to pay off debt, does that expensive coffee help you get there? If you're saving for a down payment, does that impulse purchase help or hurt? Is this the best use of this money right now? You have a limited number of financial resources. Is this purchase the highest and best use of them? Mindful spending isn't about deprivation. It's about empowerment. It's about consciously directing your money to the things that matter most to you. It's a way of showing your money and your self-respect. If you're getting value from this video and want to see more content like this, please hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. It means the world to me, and it really helps the channel grow. I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers, and with your support I know we can get there. Now that you've liked and subscribed, let's continue with our discussion. Step 3. Turn passive time into active income. How many hours a week do you spend watching TV, scrolling through social media, or just sitting on the couch? Be honest. It's probably more than you'd like to admit. What if I told you that those hours aren't just free time? They're a valuable asset. They're an asset that you can convert into money. This isn't about hustling until you burn out. It's about seeing money everywhere, in the moments you've been ignoring. Maybe you spend 2 hours a night watching TV. What if one of those hours was spent learning a new skill on Coursera or YouTube? A skill that could earn you an extra $500 a month. Maybe you love to cook. What if you spent one Saturday morning a month creating meal prep boxes for busy parents in your neighborhood for a small fee? Maybe you're good with a camera. Could you take photos at local events or even sell stock photos online? The opportunities are endless because you are a creative, capable human being. As the great investor Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." This isn't about finding another job. It's about seeing the value in your existing skills and time and figuring out how to monetize it. It's about turning passive time into active income. What is one skill you have that you could monetize in the next 30 days? Step 4. Become a student of money. Finally, to see money everywhere, you must become a student of money. This means you need to learn how money actually works. Most of us go through our entire lives without understanding the basics of personal finance. We're taught how to get a job, but we're never taught how to manage our money. You don't need a finance degree to do this. You need curiosity. Read one book on personal finance this month. I recommend something like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Listen to a financial podcast on your commute. Follow financial experts on social media who teach you something valuable, not just people who show off their lavish lifestyle. This isn't about becoming a stock market wizard overnight. It's about understanding concepts like compounding interest, diversification, and debt. It's about knowing the difference between a good investment and a bad one. As Benjamin Graham said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When you understand the rules of the game, you stop being a victim and you start being a player. You begin to see opportunities for passive income, for smart investments, for saving money on everyday purchases. You stop seeing money as this mysterious, scary force, and you start seeing it for what it is, a tool, a powerful tool that can help you build the life you want. My friends, financial peace isn't just a luxury, it's a right. You are not a victim of your circumstances. You are the architect of your financial future. It starts not with a new job or a winning lottery ticket, but with a simple decision to train your mind to see a world of abundance, not a world of lack. I want you to leave here today feeling empowered. I want you to believe that you deserve financial peace. I want you to start this journey with me, together. If this video moved you, helped you, or gave you hope, please go into the comments right now and type "thank you," and hit that like button to help spread this message to more people who need to hear it. Let's build this movement together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.